Thanks a lot, Buddha. And I got another one for you. Me and Rod do. How do nachos dance?
They do the salsa.
Yeah, that's my boy, Rod. Okay, yeah, makes Buddha laugh. Love it. Okay, I'm with Rod, and he's from AAMCO, and you might know the jingle. You got it.
AAMCO.
Thank you so much for coming. It's nice to have a face to the jingle.
Yeah.
Now, what do you guys specialize in?
Well, we do all kinds of automotive repairs for all kinds of vehicles, but we're most known for transmissions.
Okay, and you have something exciting for people who are interested in a new career, right?
Absolutely. AAMCO offers not only training, on-the-job training, but we offer something even more important, and that is AAMCO University. So we love to take a new technician, a new employee, and grow them, and we actually invest into their career.
See,
we want
that's
them
a
to have
sign
a career.
of a good place to work when you have people investing in you, because then they won't fire you as easily.
Well, we've got a lot of money and time, right?
Yeah,
absolutely.
Well, and if people come into AAMCO, what can they expect if they have a big transmission repair and they're freaked out? You have a service that might accommodate people of all credit backgrounds.
We do. We offer some no credit check financing as well as credit check financing to accommodate the need of the individual customer. The one that we find that's most popular right now is, as people are gearing up for the holidays, we're in November, we're coming into December, is our 12 months interest-free financing that we do in-house, but also for those individuals who perhaps have less than perfect credit, we have a credit-free financing program as well.
That's crazy. So you can get your car fixed and not have to pay it all up front. You can pay little by little.
Absolutely.
What a good option for the holidays.
That becomes even more important this time of year as we got tax season, holiday season, and frankly, nobody anticipates a major car repair.
Yeah, I was going to ask you why you offer that.
Well, it's because of the unexpected.
That's cool.
AAMCO is focused on customer service and customer satisfaction. Part of that offering is we provide a free vehicle courtesy check to our customers. And the reason for that is we want to give you information so that you can make informed decisions as it relates to the repairs and the overall health of your vehicle.
Well, that's nice. So if you see your check engine light on, you can take it in and get it assessed?
You bet.
We'd
be glad to do that. That's a free service that we provide, a free check engine light inspection.
That's
but
great.
Probably most importantly, if we understand what the check engine light does, it's informing you of a problem within your vehicle. That check engine light could be something as simple as a fuse, a broken wire, or frankly something that's major and catastrophic. And as a result, you need to check it sooner rather than later so that you can save yourself some money.
Okay, and do you notice around this time of year people have, a common list of repairs they need to do as winter comes closer?
With the colder season, you need to start preparing your vehicle for those winter months. Not only from your tires, but also from the fluids within your vehicle. Make sure that you've got fresh and new antifreeze in your vehicle. But also you need to service your transmission as well as your motor oil. And the reason for that is the transmission is probably one of the most neglected pieces of the vehicle. Nobody thinks about changing the transmission. They often think about my oil. I have to change my oil. But to make sure that your transmission is healthy throughout the winter months, you need to make sure that you visit one of our 10 locations from Provo to Logan so that we can get you taken care of with our free vehicle courtesy check.
Awesome. So let's real quick tell our viewers this awesome deal you have for them.
Well, starting today, yes, 50% off. We've got a 50% off our transmission safeguard service at any of our locations, again, from Provo up to Logan. That is an $89 savings to you, the customer.
Okay, Rod, this is amazing. Thank you so much. And we will send our viewers off with the jingle one more time. Ready?
Are you ready? AA, beep, beep, MCO. Good job.
Thanks so much for coming in.